So one of the biggest barriers to electric vehicle adoption in rideshare that we've seen is the initial financial cost of those vehicles. And the fair financing pilot, simply put, aims to really break down that barrier by offering low interest rate loans to drivers so they can use them for used electric vehicles. Fourth is able to offer these financial options through our partners in this program. We've worked with a number of organizations who have all helped us build this loan loss reserve fund. And what that fund does is that it allows our financial partner, Point West Credit Union, to make loans to drivers that typically would be ineligible for them. So for example, rideshare drivers often have difficulty documenting their full income on loan applications just due to the nature of their work. So a lot of those applications are then turned down. And this fund that we have now allows financial institutions to give out these loans that are at a lower interest rate than would typically be available for a driver applying.